Hi everyone, this is Valentina. Today I wanted to share how to crochet this scarf. I was using thunder color, and this is infinity scarf made in circle with no open seams. I'm using spider stitch for this to make this scarf, and also using cozy wool yarn in thunder color, and this is number, I believe, 6. The hook that I'm using to make this scarf is number 15, 10 millimeters, and I was making I crochet chain 120, but this scarf I feel it could be longer. This is 48 inches long, and from 2 skeins this is 7 inches wide, and the yarn is, yeah, it's 50 wool and 50 acrylic. Perfect for winter, very nice soft yarn, and this is very beautiful, and texture of the yarn is perfect for this pattern. So if you would 2 skeins, again 120 chain of 120, and this is 48 inches long in circle and 7 inches wide. So I would like to add one more, make it actually longer, and add one more skein. So if you want larger, so you will need 3 skeins of this. Looks great, but this is thunder, like more blue, but in this video for some reason it shows us more as gray color, but this is more blue. So let's add 120 stitches, but I would suggest to make it a little bit more though, because it's short, it's not long. So you just put your hook under the yarn, twist it, and make a slip knot, just like that. 120, let's make it. Okay, once you have the number of stitches you like, you go and connect the first and last stitch, and you go through your chain to make sure it's not twisted. If it's twisted, you will not be able to untwist, and your scarf will be twisted, so you definitely do not want to do that. Now insert into the very first stitch, grab the working yarn, yarn over, and pull through that and this. So now for the first row, chain 2. So the pattern is you make a single crochet, a chain, and single crochet, and you skip a few stitches. So we make, let's chain 2, I'll start over, chain 2, so this will will count as my single crochet and chain. So that's why I chain 2, and now I insert into the same stitch that I connected through those two. This is my connected first and last chain, so I insert into the same through those two. Make sure I insert, wrap the yarn and pull through both of them and make single crochet just like that. Now I skip two chains. I skip 2, 1 and 2, and insert into the third. So I always will skip 2, insert into the third, and make single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet into the same chain. So the entire row will be, we skip 2 and we'll make 1 single crochet, chain, and 1 single crochet. So I skip 1, 2, and I make single crochet, chain, and single crochet. I tried for the chain skipping. I'm skipping now 2 chains, but I tried skipping 1 and it actually didn't work. I had a chain very tight, so it wasn't perfect, so that's why I'm skipping 2. Again, I skip 2 and I make into the third, I make single crochet, chain, and into the same single crochet, skip 2 and make single crochet, a chain, and again single crochet, and just continue like this the entire row. Skip 2 and into the third, single crochet, chain, again single crochet. Not sure if my light is good in here. Let's fix a little bit. Again, skip 2 and make single crochet, chain, and single crochet, and just continue the entire row just like that. Skip 2, single crochet, chain, and single crochet. Again, entire row. Just continue the entire row. Skipping 2 chains and making single crochet, chain, single crochet. Okay, so now I have only 2 stitches and I worked in this stitch. So now I want to connect with that one, so I want to go under those 2 strands right here, the one that I was making. It's a little bit harder, might be, so but I definitely want to go under those 2 right here, just to connect, pull through that and pull through this. So I'm connecting the first row and this is my, okay, so I have pairs of 2, pairs of 2, and pairs of 2. So pairs of 2 single crochet, and between them is the chain. Okay, and this is my also from the first row, pair of 2 and chain in between. So now I want to insert my hook here under that, between those 2 single crochet of the first row, and this was the chain, so I insert right here, grab the yarn and make my slip stitch right, just like that. So now I chain, and every row will be the same. I connect like that and make chain 2, and now I go back into that space and make single crochet. Every row will start same as the second one. So now I want to insert my hook between the 2 single crochet stitches of the first row and right here. So it was, first row was single crochet, chain and single crochet, so I want to go here under that chain and make single crochet, chain 1, and into the same space single crochet, and I'll insert my hook and go and make single crochet, chain and single crochet into each space in between those 2 stitches. So next I go here, single crochet, chain, and into the same space single crochet, go into next pair of 2, single crochet, chain and single crochet. Next one, single crochet, chain, single crochet. Next pair of 2, I go under here, make single crochet, a chain and single crochet, and just continue like this the entire row and connect same as first row. Single crochet, chain, single crochet to finish the row. Let's continue, chain, single crochet. So this is those 2. I go here, single crochet, chain and single crochet. I go here, right here, continue the entire row just like that. Between those 2 single crochet, and you can easily see where those 2 pair of 2 of the first row, and just insert it in between them. Continue just like that. It's beautiful pattern. You get very nice pattern for the scarf. Here, chain and single crochet. Pair of 2. Go here. Pair of 2, single crochet, chain, single crochet. Okay, so I finished my second row. So this is where I started my second row, and this is single crochet and chain of 2, so I want to insert not into the first one but into the second right here under those 2 strands, and might be hard for me to insert. I struggle all the time, but I want to go under those 2 strands to insert, and I always struggle. It's hard, but I'll try. Okay. This and like that. So now I go into the middle and make slip stitch because I want this to be nice, just like that. So this is my again pair of 2, and now I start my 3rd row. I will start same with chain 2, and I'll make single crochet into that same space, just like that. And then when I go up around, I connect here my row, 3rd row right here, and then make again a chain 2 and start the next row. So now I go in between those 2, same as 2nd row, and the all other rows will be the same. Single crochet, chain, and single crochet, and again in between those 2, single crochet, chain, single crochet. Just continue like that. The entire scarf goes fast, and you can still make nice gift or for yourself. It's nice, very nice texture of this yarn. I like it a lot, so I like it a lot. The pattern is very nice, and this is one side, and another side is just like that. It looks gray, but it is not gray. I don't know, this light, it's not daylight, that's why it's blue. It looks gray, just like that. Nice scarf, very nice. So then when you finish the row, just connect where you should connect. You connect, and you just, when you connect, you just cut the yarn and pull through that and hide your ends. Just pull like that through, and this is gonna be finished. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.